Hello guys, it's me. I know I haven't posted in a while, but yeah, I'm making a video now. So we're just going to be playing Geometry Blizzard. Really not, some kind of crazy stuff. Anyways, by tapping OK, yeah, we know terms and conditions. What is this green? Hey over there. Hey over here. I've been watching you, and you got some skill. Whatever you need, Scratch got it. Here's a free sample. Come find me when you can. Did you hear something? Oh, nice, I got a new icon. Stereo Madness icon. Very nice. Oh, come on. That's only unlockable. 5 secret coins. A secret is okay. We don't have anything else to do. Let's start. Okay. Dobro. The first level is Snowdown. It's 4-star. Oh, it's a nice it's a nice ice cream. Very cool. Whoa. Wait, is that Santa? Whoa, the song is so good. Oh God. Wow, the song is so good. Nice. Shut down. What? Shut down? Oh God. No. Now that got me. Wait, let's go into practice mode to find all the coins. Okay, so let's see where we can find some coins. How about now? I feel like there's gonna be some coins in here. Let me just run through every wall. I don't think I can find any coins here. Wait, maybe something somewhere up here? No. Like this? No. I don't know. Wait. Why is that green? Why is that green? Oh, I think it's just indicator. Okay, where's the coins? So far I didn't see any coins. That's bad. Maybe these coins are gonna be so secretive. No, you. Maybe there's some coins here. Okay. Shut down. Wait. Can we go a little bit? I just want to die. Why is it a spider portal? But I turned into a swing copter. Isn't that a little bit weird? Why is the swing copter portal a spider? Like, isn't that weird? Okay, I'm just gonna shut my big mouth. Am I? Okay, I'm a robot. I thought I was gonna be a spider or something like that. Okay. Where's the coins? Where are the coins? Okay, I'm the spider now. Wait, no. There's probably something that I can do. No? Where are these coins, man? I'm trying to find these coins. Is it somewhere like don't touch there or something? I don't know. What are you? I don't understand, man. Where are these coins? Oh, nice! Whoa, that's a cool transition. Oh, what? That distracted me. I did not see. Oh, there's no coins. Bruh. There's no coins. Okay, let's just start. Snow down. Shut down. Oh god. This song is so good. I still understand this, but it's good. Oh, come on. I love this level. The Frozen aesthetic. So good. There's a lot of close calls. Shut down. God. Oh no. Oh. I never thought that I was gonna have any problems with a 2-star level or a 3-star level. Yeah, it's a 3-star level. Oh, come on. Oh my god. No. Alright, this is the round. I can feel it. Let's go! We won! Let's go! Snow down. Wait, we unlocked a new icon. Let's go, let's go. Where's the new icon? Oh, nice, we got a new icon. Can we change the colors? We don't even have any. We can change it to blue. I mean, it is a Frozen style level game. So the second level is Ghost Town. Straight into practice. Okay, what do I do there? Oh, I do not touch it. Okay. Here we go. Wait, was that? Here we go again. Oh. Damn, this level looks very cool. Finally, something sticking with his theme, not frickin' Sub-Zero has fire and everything. I thought it was gonna like eyes, you know. Oh, oh god, the swing copter is so hard to control. Oh, dual swing copter. I hate dual swing copter. Nah, man. Oh, cool. That's so cool. What the? This is so freaking out of dated. What is this transition? Mom, what is this level 1? Oh, oh no, this is gonna be a freaking unsight readable, isn't it? Wait. Oh my god, I just found a swag route. This is so good. And I can't even hit the orb. Whatever. Okay, so we go pop, 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 pop. And pop, pop. Okay. There's another one? Oh, come on. This is gonna be so outdated. Okay, this one's not that bad. And then we win. Okay. Okay, now let's try to beat it in normal mode. And I already died. And I already died. Here we go again. I think that's what it says. What am I doing with my life? I can't be doing anything else, and I choose this. I forgot to... Don't hit that. God! Don't hit that. Can you set a reminder? Oh, come on. The song is just so good. These songs are so good. Here we go. Bruh. Nah, man. I suck. Trial and error. Hey, we got a new color. Let's just... I'm just gonna go here and, finally have my colors. Not quite, but, you know, you get the gist. No, why am I going to Snowball? Okay, here you go. Ghost Town. Ghost Town is such a good song. And the level, too. It kind of looks like a Region Tab level. No, not it. It looks like more of a custom level than a Raptop level, but I'm not gonna argue with that. The controls are so wonky. Why does the gameplay feel so wonky? Wait, what? Oh yeah, I forgot. I had to go down. But I was like, my brain is what go up right now. It even flashed red. Bruh, I need to have an indicator for don't touch that. Oh god. There was no time to react. And I forgot that part even existed, but it's okay. Go. Here we go. Oh, come on. Okay. Man. Okay, it's nothing. We can beat this. Let's go. Oh, come on. I forgot. Google. Siri, please set a reminder for Alright, this is the round, I can feel it. No! Alright, this is the round, I can feel it. Alright, this is the round, I can feel it. Alright, this is the round, I can feel it. Alright, this is the round, I can feel it. Never mind, this is not the round. I suck at this game. Hey, nice. No! Oh, God. I hate myself so much. I suck. I suck. Well, I can just rest here. What the f- This is crap. I hate myself. Okay, we're golden. So far, we're golden. Okay? I'm dead. It's too bad because he's dead. My stupid spam addiction. Shrek. I really want to stomp my foot right now. What is the movement? I don't care anymore. Fuck you. Fuck your stupid face bar. Fuck you. Just in general, I hate you. You suck. Bye. Okay, I'm feeling better right now. Let's just get this over with. Mom. Okay, this is the one. I feel it. Oh god. I calm down a little bit. Let's start. Mom! Come on. Yes. Let's go. No. No. What the fuck is wrong with me? Oh. Ask me if I'm dumb. Yes, sir. Why? I would have been over with this. this. I hate you. Not gonna lie, this level has different feelings. A lot of different feelings. You don't know what you're talking about. Oh, to be honest, I don't know what anymore. I don't know what. Bum, bum, bum. Mom, I need help. Mom. E caldo mi cascavalho. I hate myself. Yes! Oh my god, I finally beat it. Finally, I beat it. Oh, feels so good. Finally, I beat it. Alright. The next, level is hyper reality. So, let's start. Practice mode. So far, looks great. Nice 2.2 level. Nice 2.2 effects. Okay. Okay. The portals look super nice. Good luck. I don't need luck, my man. Oh god. Why is it so freaking tight? What? Do that with the ball. What? Do that with what? Do that with what? Do that with the ball? What do you mean? Do what with the ball? What the? I think I have to go super early. Yeah. Oh, now I'm underwater. Very cool. Oh no. Are you ready? No. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is this monstrosity? What? From where am I coming from? Oh my goodness. Oh wow, this is actually a pretty cool idea. What the f- Can you please stop? Stop making me suffer. What are we here? Just a second. Oh no. More. Please no more. Okay. I'm getting to practice that. That's gonna be a challenge. That's gonna be a challenge for sure. Oh my. So. This is hard. Ooh, I like to think. Good luck. No, man, no. Good luck. Nah, man, I can't do this. I have no chance. Nah. The music is fire. I really hate this, I want to throw up. Wait, guys, I'm just gonna take a little break and I'll be back. Oh, man. Alright, I'm back. Let's start. Why is it so hard to control? Upside down mini. Oh well. Fuck. No. No, man, that's cringe. Oh god. Ah! I really can't comprehend this. Gonna make me crazy. I think I'm gonna die. Don't think I'm gonna lie. Get up in a bind, get up in a bind, get up in a bind. Stuck in a world with no case. This is what I'm hopeless and I'm hopeless. I see when I see you. I'm coping with this and I'm coping with regret. This is a big threat. Don't wanna know what it's gonna come through. Don't know. Wait, can I get copyrighted for this? What? Huh? Because I'm a small creator, but can I get copyrighted for this? For like the songs? Nah, right? It's just silly. It's just oh come on. I hate you so much. You know how much I hate you? This much. I can't show my fingers. I'll just put it on screen. But not to say that this level is bad, but it's really nice. Like, bruh. Like, mother. Girl, this fucking level is crazy good. But, you know, like, you can't focus on the details when you're literally going so fast you can't even comprehend what you're doing. Good luck. I'll sure need it. You son of a bitch. Oh my god. I had a hard time on Thunder's Ghost House, sorry. I'm never gonna beat this. Especially that duel. You have to just focus on the first part. And it's gonna be easy peasy. I mean, it looks super like crazy, bruh. Ugh! Mom! How the fuck did I die? Mom, help me. I cannot do this. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. Good luck. Mom. Fraud. Yes, that's what I wanted to say. Try back. So? Grandpa aqui é mais estúpido, não. A dai dostanut kiku telefon. Näetkin dostanut koda igra. Allez. Monte. Mom. This is not okay. You know what? I'll stop this video. I can't take it anymore. Bye.